Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch La Liga. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our browser. Now, once we open our browser, on the search bar, we're going to search for La Liga and then click on enter. Once you do that, just scroll down and then look for the official La Liga website. So once you click it, you will now be redirected into this part. Now, after that, what we're going to do is to just look for the matches that we want to watch. So let's say, for example, that we want to watch this match. So what we're going to do is to click on where to watch La Liga. So once you click it, you will now be redirected into this official channels. So you'll just have to choose the official channels that you want to use. So let's say, for example, that we want to use Disney Plus. So we're going to click on it. And then once you click it, what we're going to do next is to, of course, put our email and then click on sign up now. Once you click on sign up now, you'll have to put your password and then click on agree and continue and then just put your birth date and then click on save again. And then after that, we're going to click on complete subscription. So in this part, you'll just have to choose the subscription that you want to avail. So let's say, for example, that we choose this. So click on select. And then after that, we're going to click on continue once again. And then in this part, you'll just have to choose your payment method. So if you want to pay through credit card or debit card, you'll just have to put your card number, the expiry date, the security code, and of course your name on card. And then after that, click on agree and subscribe. And then once you have successfully availed their subscription, you will now be able to watch La Liga inside Disney Plus. So you can now watch it on your phone, your TV, and even your computer. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.